Hello friends, welcome to Cabbage Financial Solutions. My name is Mashkoor Ali. In today's video, we will share 4 ways to easily find the billing zip code of any Visa card. If we have any type of Visa card and we need to verify it or make a transaction, we often require the billing zip code, which is not printed on the card itself. This makes it difficult to locate the billing zip code. Keeping this issue in mind, today we'll show you 4 simple ways to find your billing zip code. To explain how to find the billing zip code of a Visa card, we'll take you to a website called Cabbage Loan Guide. This website provides numerous articles related to credit and debit cards. One of the articles is titled How to Find Billing Zip Code on Visa Card. When you scroll down on this article, it explains in detail what a billing zip code is. If you scroll further, the importance and uses of the billing zip code are also discussed in depth. For example, it explains the role of the billing zip code in making card transaction. It also mentions that the billing zip code is not physically written on the Visa card. If you want to know your billing zip code, you can check it in your Visa card statement. Apart from this, when you received your Visa card by post or by courier, all the details were present on the envelope, which included the billing zip code. You can find it there if you scroll down. There are 4 methods to find billing zip code in detail. Let's understand them one by one. The first method is check the initial papers. When you first received your Visa card, the billing zip code was likely included in the accompanying papers. If you still have those papers, you can find your billing zip code there. The second method is online banking method. If your Visa card is linked to a bank account, access your internet banking. Navigate to the billing address section, where you will find your billing zip code associated with the Visa card connected to that account. The third method is customer care call. Contact the customer care helpline of the bank that issued your Visa card. They will assist you in retrieving your billing zip code. Be prepared for a verification process, ensuring the security of your information. And the fourth and last method is monthly statement. Email. If you have activated the monthly statement email for your Visa card, your billing zip code can be found in each monthly statement. Look for the billing address section either at the top or bottom, where the Visa card's billing zip code is specified. Additionally, methods to find the zip codes of vanilla gift cards, Visa gift cards, Axis Bank Visa cards, etc. are also mentioned in this article. It also explains in detail whether you can use a Visa gift card without a billing zip code. For more information on billing zip codes, check the article link provided in the description below. By using these 4 methods, you can easily find the billing zip code of your Visa card. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Cabbage Financial Solutions for more tips related to lending and banking. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.